BMW Canada is releasing a special edition of the M440i with only 100 units available, limited to 20 units per color. The exclusive M Performance Edition will feature one of 5 rare individual paint finishes: Voodoo Blue, P7L, Velvet Blue, 379, Rosso Corsa, P7K, Irish Green, P7G, and Grigio Telesto, P6M. Each color comes with its own matching interior and wheel color. The M440i in Voodoo Blue, Velvet Blue, and Irish Green will have 20-inch M Performance wheels and Y-spoke 795M design in ferric gray, while the Rosso Corsa and Grigio Telesto will have matte black finish wheels. The M Performance tuning program will provide carbon trimmings for the kidney grills with black mesh grills, front splitter, and carbon fiber spoiler lip, as well as the M Performance exhaust system and model badges in high-gloss black. All 100 vehicles will be equipped with the M Technology package, which includes optimized engine cooling, charge air cooling, and 26mm larger front brake discs for the M Sport brakes. The BMW M440i xDrive will have 374 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. The interior of the special edition cars will feature carbon fiber interior trim and the digital cockpit professional. The extended merino leather upholstery for the Voodoo Blue, Velvet Blue, and Rosso Corsa models will be in timeless black, while the Tartufo leather with Irish Green and the Fjord Blue and black bicolor upholstery for the Grigio Telesto will add a pop of color. Although the special edition is exclusive to BMW Canada, customers in Germany can still create the same configuration through their dealer. However, they will not be able to enjoy the exclusivity of owning a limited edition model. Let's talk about security. Euro NCAP crash test. BMW 4 Series G22 and G23 convertible earned 5 stars. The second generation of the BMW 4 Series has passed the Euro NCAP crash test with the top score of 5 stars. The safety assessment for the BMW 4 Series Coupe G22 and convertible G23 was partially filled with existing data from the BMW 3 Series G20 to avoid destroying too many new vehicles in a crash test. The testers emphasized that only tests where no differences were expected from the technically closely related 3 Series sedan were not performed. However, several examples of the BMW 4 Series Coupe and convertible were still tested, as the side impact tests, for example, have a fundamentally different crash structure. On the other hand, a repetition of the frontal crashes was waived because the 3 Series and 4 Series would not differ significantly from each other based on the data available. The same approach is likely to be repeated in a few months with the BMW i4 and 4 Series Grand Coupe G26. By conducting a directly comparable test of the coupe and convertible, safety experts also specify the differences in occupant protection very concretely. For adult occupant protection, the coupe receives 97% of the possible points, while the BMW 4 Series convertible G23 scores marginally lower with 96%. The same trend is confirmed for the protection of smaller occupants and children, whose safety is rated at 83, coupe, and 80, convertible, %, respectively. The slightly lower rating for the BMW 4 Series convertible G23 is due to a slightly weaker side impact protection. With a score of 15.6 out of a possible 16 points, the convertible narrowly misses the top score, while the coupe can still perform slightly better with 16 out of 16 points. The crash test video for the BMW 4 Series Coupe G22 provides an impression of the effectiveness of the safety systems, and there are also photos of the tested crash scenarios. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a like to stay informed about the latest developments in the automotive world. You have arrived to the right place. Here you will find videos with reviews of the newest